Bro, you're a good-looking dude. What'd you just call me? Good-looking? Good-looking. I mean, how insecure can you fucking be?
What, man? It's just a compliment.
Yeah, but that's a weak-ass compliment. You're a man, right? You're comfortable in your own sexuality.
Yeah?
Then tell me I'm sexy as fuck.
You're sexy as fuck.
And tell me I'm looking scrumptious.
You're looking scrumptious.
Ask me what I'm doing out here with all this ass.
What are you doing with all that ass?
Now give it a firm squeeze and tell me that shit ain't juicy.
That shit is juicy.
See, that's how you compliment the homies.
Okay.
All right, homie, I appreciate the compliment for real.